Hey everybody, what's going on? Dan over at Cherry Springs State Park, and we're here for the 2022 Cherry Springs Star Party, which is located in Coudersport, Pennsylvania. And I'm really looking forward to it. It's going to be a great time. There's over 350 or so people here, and it's going to be awesome. So hopefully we'll get some good images tonight and tomorrow. I'm here for 2 days. Here's a recap of the Cherry Springs trip of 2022. So keep a lookout, and hopefully I'll have some data for you at the end of the video. There are bathrooms over here in this little hut. Men and women, running water, and it's heated, which is nice. Some people just hang out in there.
This trip I brought 2 rigs with me. I brought my EQ6R and my Spree 80 with a lended ASI 2600, followed by, in the background, we have the Red Cat on an EQM35 and a 183. Just wanted to do some wide field images and see what we could get, considering it's been about 3 or 4 years since I've been to a nice dark Portal 2 sky. The best thing about going to Cherry Springs is that it's been so long, and we could spend some good time with some friends, old friends and new friends, and of course have our first annual unofficial unsanctioned AstroWorld Star Party. Unfortunately, it was a year in the making, so the first night I was able to get the Trifid Nebula. I have some more data that's going to be coming in future videos, but here is one of the ones we took a really quick process of it. And for 1 hour and 8 minutes of data, looks pretty good to me. And then on the second night, it started to cloud out. So I was able to take this shot of the Big Dipper with a 10-second image of a handheld iPhone with some clouds in it. I just thought it was really cool.
We had a decent couple of nights. It was nice. It was great. Got some good data. Got looking at M106, M8, M20. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you everybody for coming and checking out the Cherry Springs update. And we'll see you next time on AstroWorld. And don't forget, as always, remember to keep imaging, keep educating, and clear skies.